It is the inner drive that makes us get up early in the morning, that challenges us every day anew to overcome limits. A passion we live and love over and over again. We believe in the dreamers out there, in the doers and repeaters, the ones who keep challenging the status quo as much as they challenge themselves, in those who go their own way. At Matthis Bernard, we believe the more visionary an idea is at the beginning, the more exciting it is at the end. Then it's worth fighting for. It was exactly the same with the Space Gravity collection. A luxury watch with unique design and performance for all, with precise automatic movement and at the same time, robust steel case. Impossible, said many. Brave, said others, just like exploring other planets in our universe. With Space Gravity, we have consistently gone our own way, always remaining true to our roots, and have thus injected the typical Matthis Bernard DNA into the luxury watch segment. The design of the new Space Gravity collection has been further sharpened and is a real eye-catcher thanks to its unique dial with zirconia crystals. There's one question we asked ourselves early on. Does a luxury and affordable watch have to look like a regular round watch? No. The silhouette and proportions are unmistakably Matthis Bernard. Athletic, streamlined with clear light edges and powerful expression, individually accentuated in different color variations. At the same time, you can easily combine your new favorite watch to the business or leisure look, thanks to the sporty and contemporary design. The possibilities for your individual style are almost unlimited, so you can let your creativity run free and go your own way. How else would you do it? Support us today and become a part of Matthis Bernard. Space Gravity, we let you take off if you let us take off.